How to fix a profile update failed on X. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Open up your X application and get logged into your X account. From there, tap onto your profile on your top left, then tap onto your username. As you do so, tap on Setup Profile and tap on to Upload. In the case where it's not working for you, open up your settings, scroll below to Apps, and search for X. As you do so, go on to Storage and clear the cache. Now come back to the app info page of X, tap onto permissions, and make sure that you have allowed permissions for your camera. Tap onto your camera, then tap on Allow only while using the app. Now go back and do the same for audio or microphone. Now let's open our X application again. Then tap on Upload. It will open up your gallery section. From there, choose any photo that you would like, and this is how you can fix it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this.